So now you know how to add in a simple PayPal button. Now we can work with a Stripe button as well. And it's set up in a very similar way. Of course, this time you will need a Stripe account. So let's drag that over to this ebook. And if you don't have a Stripe account, then of course you would want to go away and set up a Stripe account. Now I do have a Stripe account, and you will also need to add your secret keys into your Elementor settings. So let's get into that now. So we can see here, if we want to take payments with this Stripe button, it says here, for this widget to work, you need to set your Stripe API keys in the integrations settings. So let's actually go away and do that. So we can come back to our Elementor settings and then come into integrations. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you will see that there is an option for Stripe. And so you can add in your test secret keys and your live secret keys, which you would get from your dashboard. So if you come along to your developers, you can come along to your API keys and you can create API keys for this. And you can get that set up and connected to your Square account. So whenever you start taking payments through Stripe, Square, not Square, your Stripe account, whenever you start taking payments through that Stripe button, then it's going to all hit your Stripe account here, and that money will then be transferred to your business bank account or your personal bank account, whichever you have it set up to be. So again, very, very similar, much like the PayPal. Make sure that you have configured your API keys under your settings so that those are added in. And then you could just, again, want to add your ebook. Add your product. So in this case, it's going to be an ebook or blogging ebook. Let's say blogging ebook. And then we can, again, just set the price. So I'm going to select the Great British Pounds. Product price, this one maybe, let's say $7.99. Quantity 1, shipping none, tax rate none. And just like the PayPal buttons, we've got the option here to change what this looks like. So this is just going to be purchase now. And then we've got the additional settings with the redirect after success. So you can do exactly the same with the Stripe button as what you can with the PayPal button. So you can take payments through both of those gateways. So again, another really cool way to mess around and play around with taking payments without having to use WooCommerce and all of the headaches that comes with that, because I mean, WooCommerce is a very big, very large piece of software to add in if you just wanted to accept some simple payments such as these. So this would be absolutely perfect for that. So that is going to bring this lesson to an end. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how we can start selling memberships and how you can, and give you a quick sort of brief introduction to how you can create a membership site where you have sort of a members area where you can start adding content that is only available to those people that are paying a subscription.